Hey everyone, I'm Helen. I'm the national artist for Sephora collection, and today I'm going to show you how to upgrade your lashes with a hint of color. It's super easy. You pretty much have every bit of supply at home that you would need, so let's just dive right in. Okay, for this look, I'm going to use the Sephora Collection Lash in Flirty. I'm choosing to use this one because it's kind of a medium intensity. So it is a little bit fuller than your typical natural lash, but it's not gonna look so crazy when it's painted with a little bit of color to add like a little bit more pizzazz to it. So I'm gonna start off with this one, and what I've already done is put on mascara and a thin black eyeliner, and this is really to conceal the band underneath of the lash. So when I apply the lash, it'll still be black underneath, but then on top I'm going to color it. So I'm also going to put on that color and make it so it'll all sort of marry together and pop. So to start off, I'm going to use the Patrick Starrr Visionary palette. He has this really cool shade called Blue Mondew, and it's just a really great blue, and it'll pop a lot. Using that, and I like to do it on a palette, but you can do it certainly like on the mirror, inside the palette, whatever you want to do. And I'm going to use the All Nighter Spray by Urban Decay, and this is a setting spray, but really it's a transformative spray. So it's going to transform the eyeshadow into eyeliner for me. You want to spray this first before you do any scraping of shadow. And just a little bit, I do like 2 squirts. I take either the end of my brush or maybe like a sharper tool. Maybe you could use like a blemish extractor if you wanted. I'm just taking the eyeshadow and I'm just scraping a little bit off so it's becoming like a powder next to that setting spray. And this is really so you're creating like a pigment. And I'm gonna take an angled eyeliner brush and just sort of mesh them together. So I'm taking a little bit of the setting spray first and then dipping it into this blue eyeshadow, and it should create a liquid kind of liner. You want to make sure you have a good amount of pigment, so you are going to have to mix quite a lot. So you might have to test it out a couple times on your eye to see if you have the pigment payoff that you want. Okay, and for this I'm going to go directly in. So I'm almost doing a double liner. It's going to look pretty subtle against the black right now, but once it dries, it becomes that like brighter blue again, which is really cool. And I'm making it a little thicker because I want it to show when I put the lash on. And I am going to do a little bit of a cat eye. So with this brush, you can really stamp it on. It doesn't have to be too hard. So I'm just gonna put it all the way down. Okay, so now I have like a little sharp edge on the inner corner and then also the cat eye. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and just do the other side. I do feel like when you drag using the Urban Decay setting spray and the powder, sometimes it basically takes away the pigment. So using a stamping motion really lends itself to this technique. Now we have the blue eyeliner and we need to get into painting these lashes blue to match. To get these black lashes to have just a little bit lighter of a base, I'm going to use the NARS. This is their concealer. It's like a soft matte complete concealer. This one is in 2.75. I just like it because it lightens up the lashes. You could certainly use an eyeshadow primer as well if it's going to lighten up those lashes a little bit and just make the eyeshadow essentially stick to the lashes. So I use this. It's a creamy, lightweight concealer. And I just choose any sort of fluffy brush. Doesn't really matter what brush you use. You can keep it actually on this plastic box. It makes it a lot easier. And what I do is I just lightly start to coat the lashes, and you can do it to the tops and the base as well. So one should look pretty coated, and you can see it really lightened up those lashes. But now if I take a blending brush, I like just a fluffier brush. You can use the Urban Decay setting spray if you want it to be more waterproof, but honestly, for me, it just worked to throw the eyeshadow over it, so that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm taking the same Blue Mondew eyeshadow, taking the fluffy brush, and just going right over it. And it'll just start to grip on, and you just keep kind of packing it on until you get the blue payoff that you want. Okay, so it's hard to see here, but the lash is fully coated. You can kind of see the band right there, how it's like a lot bluer than the other one. That one's ready to go. I'm actually going to do it on the flip side as well, so it'll show up a little bit more. And for this, you can do the same technique with the concealer. It gets a little messy because you basically have to take it off of the box. So just sort of gently work with it and do that. I just like to do it on the edges, not the whole lash underneath, because I have mascara on. So my lashes are gonna show, and they're painted with black mascara, and since I don't have a blue, I'm just going to do the tips of the lashes so the blue kind of shines through everywhere. If you have like a blue mascara or a matching mascara, certainly that would work even more to make it like this really cool blue effect. So whatever you prefer to use, try it and go for it. This is just something that's like fun to do. Same technique, just taking my finger and kind of painting the very tips. See, I painted just the very, very tips of that lash using that same shadow. This is where it gets a little messy on your finger, but just make sure you wipe off your fingers before you apply it, otherwise you'd have the color all over your face. Okay, so now that I have the color on the lash that I want, you just really have to eyeball it, see what works for you. I'm going to just apply the lash glue, and any lash glue works. I like it to be a little tacky because I really don't want to smush this lash down anywhere because it'll transfer the blue a little bit. I like to break the band a little bit. This is called like breaking the band. Basically, you just kind of move it like a caterpillar. It has a nice bend to it when you apply it. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead in and apply that. Okay, so that's looking pretty dang good. I really love this look because it is just a really subtle, it's like a kiss of color. And what I also really love about it is if you have blonde hair like me, sometimes dark lashes, like the black dark lashes, look way too intense. So this is another way that you can make them a little less intense. Like you could use brown, like a brown eyeshadow to create brown lashes. So I think that that could be a really cool look too. So it doesn't necessarily have to be a color, but certainly like blue always brings out every eye color pretty much. It just makes everything pop, and I just really like how it's like a subtle hint of color. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go in and do the other side. And that is really it. Just a really fun way to sort of upgrade your lashes into something just a little more fun with a hint of color. I would love to know what colors y'all are trying on. This is certainly super easy, and everybody has multiple colors of shadows at home. So I can't wait to see what y'all try, and be sure to subscribe. And until next time, bye y'all.